So I'm going to put a little poll out here. In the comments below, you tell me. If I say, motocross rider DQ'd for hitting another motocross rider during a race, who comes right to your mind? Mind you, this happened at Budds Creek last weekend, and he got DQ'd from the second race completely. No points, no purse, no nothing, just straight up, bottom of the list, 40th, you are disqualified. So make sure you get your comments in now, and if you guessed Justin Barcia, you are correct. Apparently in the second race of Budds Creek Moto 2, about 13 minutes in or something, him and Dylan Ferrandis, who were fighting for, I want to believe it was 9th and 10th. Well, Barcia, as far as I've heard, let's speculate on this. As I've heard, he was maybe pushed off the track by Ferrandis, which is something he found to be a little bit naughty or aggressive, whatever it was, and cut the track, apparently, to take out Ferrandis on the way back. Posted on his Ferrandis' partners, girlfriends, wives. Dylan is okay, thankfully. Some bruises and a big crash, though. Some people need to learn to proper ride without cutting the track. So apparently, this set didn't happen on TV. There's just these little set of photos, and if a video does come out of him riding, because obviously he is a GoPro rider, if the video ever does come out, I will make a follow-up to this, but he just got straight up DQ'd, obviously being on probation from taking out Malcolm Stewart and Justin Bogle all in Supercross. We'll see what happens for this, what actually does go on, because DQ'd from one race is a big difference from being fined or DQ'd from a couple races or, banned from a couple races. So in the comments below, you tell me what you think. Dirty riding by Barcia, typical riding by Barcia. Obviously, there's no video at the moment, so we can't say for certain if he did cut the track or if Ferrandis did take him out, whatever it is. But as I'm recording this, Dylan posted on his Instagram, quote, "At this point, I don't really care about that. I just wonder how his team, sponsor, family, friends, trainer, fans can support that. Yeah, he got disqualified, but he will do it again next weekend and every other races, and nothing will change. No sportsmanship and bad image for our sport. Very sore today. I hope I can make it to the next race at 100%. So, you tell me. Is Barcia bad for the sport? Is Barcia good for the sport? Obviously, it's a lot of drama. Drama brings views. Views bring more drama, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, some fans don't like it. Some fans love it. You either support Barcia or you hate him. He is very polarizing, but you have to say he is there. I mean, a lot of this sport is very bland, very PC. Nobody says anything wrong. Nobody does anything wrong. There's all friendly, whatever, but you let me know in the comments below. What do you think about the whole thing? What really happened? Do you think they'll be posting a video of it? Whatever it is, leave it in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because I really appreciate it. It helps me a lot. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.